Yes, sir.
Wait. Oh, there you go.
Need fire. Wait, no, hold up. Damn. Yes, sir. We got Noonie so far, you know. Zaya. What's this? Bro, Bessemer looks good, bro. Look at this. Just left from the stove. Wearing some shoes and stuff. Yes, sir, guys. We left from we went to the store and all that. Noni Soforel right here. He caught some new shoes, some Yanni Atakumbo shoes. Well, however you say it, I don't know how to say that, bro. Yeah. Follow him on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram.
Pick that cup back up. I'm sitting here looking at Keisha like, do you love me? Do you love me not?
Out, boy. Yeah, we're in Dixie. About to get some groceries and stuff.
Okay.
What's your favorite cereal?
I like that.
Everything out of this right here. Either Fruit Loops or Frosted Flakes.
I like these. I like them.
Honey, that might be good for real though.
I don't like that.
Adding honey to that, even though it's already sweet. Oh, right here. Right here. That's mine. And no. And shoot, where that? What's Cinnamon Toast Crunch? I just saw Cinnamon Toast Crunch somewhere. Oh, I'm on. Yep.
Okay.
This year's the best. Alright, we at Chaby's. Che believes, I mean.
Get my hand. Give me your thing, because you just be laying there anywhere, man.
Food was good, you know. Got some Coke. What? Y'all, this is Uzi, my new dog.
The boy threw the ball, he didn't even run to get it, he just stood up like this.